Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Kerala style masala egg Bhurji recipe, ideal as a side dish for rice or for roti. So let's get started with the recipe. I have already added 3 eggs into a bowl. Into this I'm adding in half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed, a splash of water, and give this all a good mix. Once the eggs are lightly whisked, keep this aside. Okay, now the eggs are lightly beaten. Add in 4 tablespoons fresh grated coconut. Instead of fresh coconut, you can also use frozen coconut. And again, lightly mix this all really well. Just make sure that the coconut is mixed into the eggs. And now I'm going to keep this aside. I'm heating my kadai with 1 to 2 tablespoons of wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon mustard seeds, and once the mustard seeds crackle, add in 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste, and adding it in so that the flavors are released. Add in 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt and give this all a good mix. Allow the onions to saute until they are transparent. Once the onion is transparent, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Kashmiri chili powder has less heat and also will give an amazing color to the dish. But if you're using ordinary chili powder, reduce by half. Half teaspoon garam masala and give this a good mix. Mix it for about 20 to 30 seconds so that the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. Remember, the flame is on the lowest. 30 seconds later, add in the beaten egg. Let it stay for about a minute and then give it a mix. Again, let it stay for about a minute like this and then give it a mix. And gently mix it and scramble the eggs. Mix it really well and allow the eggs to get scrambled. In Malayalam, we call this dish as Mutta Thoran. It's quickly prepared side dish, especially when guests drop in unannounced. It's easy to make, hence a very quick side dish option. And once it is scrambled and it is ready to serve, I'm going to transfer this to a serving plate. So guys, do try this Kerala style masala egg Bhurji and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.